Yo, what's going? Welcome back. Today I made $610. Today this is the trade on 28th of April, Tuesday. Over here I was pretty bearish on the day. We came in. We had a big structure on market open to the downside. We had this gap that we did inverse. I just didn't want to take the trade to the upside, to like these highs because it was literally 3 minutes into market open. And then we did it on inverse on the 30-second as well. So I just didn't take the trade. It was just too early. Waited a little bit. We had a found break structure to the upside over here. We were respecting these gaps as well. So I think it was pretty clear to take buys of market open, or I don't know. It was just unsure that we didn't inverse on the 30-second as well. But I was pretty bearish on the day though. We had a SMC at the highs over here. Yes, was the lagging pair. Um, so we had an SMC at the highs, and then we came in. We had a big structure to the downside on the 1 minute. We had these gaps over here. That we didn't reverse of start. We had a 1 minute break structure to the upside. I think we had a 2 minute break structure to the upside as well. I took it off of the 2 minute. So 2 minute break structure to the upside. There was a 2 minute gap that did get inversed, and we did inverse on the 1 minute as well over here. But it took a little bit earlier when we inversed on the 2 minute. We inversed right there. Had my stops above this second high, and then I just targeted this low over here. I closed over here because of my consistency rule. So it was a 2.55 RR trade on the day, but it would have still hit full take profit on the day. Would have been a nice trading day today. And yeah, there was just nothing else that I can say. On the hourly, we was just really bearish on the day. We was respecting this gap over here. We were in this gap. If we had a one hour big structured upside, we were probably would have been looking for longs. But there was a open gap over here that I think market will come into on the oncoming days of the week, and yeah, we'll see how it goes though. But there's nothing really else. We had a 15 minute structure to the upside, and then yeah, we respected the gap, but we were just really bearish on the hourly, on the 4 hour as well, and yeah, we'll see how it goes tomorrow though. Tomorrow there is FOMC news. Gonna see how that goes. Probably not gonna be trading FOMC. It's just gonna be trading the trading hours, the New York session, and yeah. There's nothing really else. We had an SMT at the highs. Um, ES was the like pair. We had a 1 minute break structure. We had a 2 minute break structure. We had a 2 minute gap get inverse over here, and a 1 minute gap get inverse as well. 1 minute break structure upside at inversion, and then I just took shorts to the downside. Um, either I don't remember, either I took it over here or I took it to this low. I don't really remember. It was one of these. I think it was over here. Not gonna lie. Right here. If I remember. But yeah, I think I have a. Let me check on this pair. Yeah, it was this over here. I'm checking on micros because I take trades on micros because um it's a lot like I use like less risk on trades. I can't use it on the normal pair, on the real pair, because the risk is like a lot higher. For example, one micro on the real pair is like 200, or like I mean a 400. If I took the trade over here one Varus, it would have been like 400 or 500 at the top of there, and targeted this low over here. On ES would have been like 200. ES is like a lot cheaper. And but on micros, this would have been like one micro is like, I don't know, on ES is like $50. On MNQ is like $100. So yeah, it's literally double the money on NQ than ES. And yeah, nothing really else that I can say for today. Pretty good trading day today. I'm gonna see how tomorrow goes though. If I'm seeing you tomorrow, and yeah. Gonna see how tomorrow. Um, plus I lost yesterday 300 something dollars. So I'm up like 300 on the week. So yeah, gonna see how this whole week goes. Gonna see how tomorrow. Love y'all. Stay safe, guys. Peace.